Hari Om Tat Sat. Namaste Ji. I am Neeraj Acharya, and as we know that the Pitru Paksha is starting very soon from 7th of September this month, from the Purnima Tithi of Bhadrapad Mas. So I wish that more and more people, those who wants to do puja for Pitras during the Pitru Paksh, we are gonna tell you, we will teach you here to do a simplified puja for Pitras. So for starting the Pitra Puja, we should have first of all a small cloth like this. You can take any kind of cloth. The best is if you can use white color cloth, and then light 2 candles like these and take some fruits, some rice, some lentil for offering to the Pitra. You can also buy sweets, food, and which can be later on given to needy people, kids. So we will start the puja now. So even for puja we need little sesame seeds. These are sesame seeds here, and little bit of rice, and then kumkuma, then some white flowers, a kusha, and water pot. And as we have done in the last puja, that we start any puja with the worship of Ganga. So we will take a water pot, place it in front of yourself, and just take the kusha in your hand and stir the water and chant Om Gangai Namaha, Om Gangai Namaha, Om Gangai Namaha, Om Gangai Namaha 7 times, and then add kumkuma, Om Gangai Namaha, and then little bit of rice seeds, Om Gangai Namaha, and then little bit of sesame seeds, Om Gangai Namaha, and little bit of flowers, Om Gangai Namaha, and then we will touch the pot like this and then do the dhyanam of Ganga. Om Gangai Namaha, Om Shri Gangai Namaha, Om Shri Gangai Namaha, and then offer pranam to Ganga. Om Shri Gangai Namaha. After doing this, we will do the worship of earth. We will pour some water for the earth. Om Eshwarghya Prithibhyai Namaha, Eshwarghya Prithibhyai Namaha, Eshwarghya Prithibhyai Namaha. And then you offer some kumkuma to earth. Om Prithibhyai Namaha. Then little bit of rice. Om Prithibhyai Namaha. Little bit of sesame seed. Om Prithibhyai Namaha. And then little bit of flowers. Om Prithibhyai Namaha. And then you place your hands, crossed hands, on the earth, and then pray to Mother Earth. Om Prithibhyai Namaha, Om Prithibhyai Namaha, Om Prithibhyai Namaha, and then do the namaskaram to the Prithvi, to the Mother Earth. Om Prithibhyai Namaha. After performing the earth puja, Prithvi puja, we will do the purification of ourselves. We will pour some water with the help of kusha on ourselves. Om Pavitrai Namaha, Om Pavitrai Namaha, Om Pavitrai Namaha, Om Pavitrai Namaha. And then we will take some sesame seed and rice in our hand and then say Pitrai Namaha, Om Pitrai Namaha, Om Pitrai Namaha, Om Pitrai Namaha. And then we will do the Sankalpa. For Sankalpa, we will put some sesame seed, little bit of kumkuma and little bit rice and flour in the water, and then say that I am Neeraj Acharya, whatever your name is, that I am doing this puja for my Pitras, and Pitras should accept this puja, and then pour this water on the earth. And then close your eyes and then do the dhyanam of Pitra, and people should say simply Om Pitrai Namaha, Om Pitrai Namaha, Om Pitrai Namaha, Om Pitrai Namaha. One can also chant the Pitra Gayatri. Om Devatabhya Pitribhya Mahayogibhya Evacha Nama Swahaya Swadhyaya Namo Swahaya Swadhyaya Pitraya Namo Namaha. Om Devatabhya Pitribhya Mahayogibhya Evacha Nama Swahaya Swadhyaya Nityameva Namo Namaha. But if you will find it long, the simple mantra is Om Pitrei Namaha, Om Pitrei Namaha. The first of all, we will have a kusha or any flower. You can also place a piece of flower in a small pot and then do the worship of Brahmana, and then say, take some water and say Om Brahmane Namaha, Om Brahmane Namaha, Om Brahmane Namaha, and then offer some kumkuma, rice, sesame seed and flower to Brahmana, and then do the dhyanam of Brahmana. Om Brahmane Namaha, Om Brahmane Namaha, Om Brahmane Namaha, Om Brahmane Namaha. Once you have done the worship of Brahman, one should also perform the worship of Vishnu, dhyanam of Vishnu. So we will take some more rice in our hand and do the dhyanam of Vishnu. Om Vishnave Namaha, Om Vishnave Namaha, Om Vishnave Namaha, and then offer some rice, some water to Vishnu. Om Aishwarghya Vishnave Namaha, and then you can also offer some sesame seed, kumkuma, rice, flower to Vishnu, and then do the dhyanam of Vishnu. Om Vishnave Namaha, Om Vishnave Namaha, Om Vishnave Namaha. So when we have done the worship of Brahman and Vishnu, then we should call our Pitra, do the dhyanam of Pitra. Om Pitrei Namaha, Om Pitrei Namaha, Om Pitrei Namaha. Take some rice and sesame powder, sesame seed in your hand, and then offer these to Pitra for sitting. Om Pitrei Namaha. And then we should also offer some water for washing the feet of Pitra, and again say Pitrei Namaha. Then we should offer some water for washing the hands of Pitra, and then we should say Om Pitrei Namaha, and then offer some water for drinking and say Om Pitrei Namaha, and then also offer some water for snanam, for bath, and again say Om Pitrei Namaha, and then offer some kumkuma to Pitra. And for Pitra we should use this when we were doing the puja of Pitra. and when we want to offer kumkuma to Pitra, we will use the index finger, and with index finger we will offer some kumkuma to Pitra. Om Pitrai Namaha. And then offer some sesame seed to Pitra. Om Pitrai Namaha. And then offer some flower to Pitra. Om Pitrai Namaha. And then you can do the dhyanam. Om Pitrai Namaha. Om Pitrai Namaha. Om Pitrai Namaha. And if you can chant the Pitra Gayatri, you can also chant the mantra Om Devatabhya Pitribhya Mahayogibhya Evacha Nama Swahaya Swadhyaya Nityameva Namo Nama. Devatabhya Pitribhya Mahayogibhya Evacha Nama Swahaya Swadhyaya Nityameva Namo Nama. Om Devatabhya Pitribhya Mahayogibhya Evacha Nama Swahaya Swadhyaya Nityameva Namo Namaha. So this is the simplest form of doing the worship of Pitra, and once you have performed the worship, then we should also offer this food to Pitraha. Take some water in your hand and just rotate the water around the food, and then pour it on the ground and say Om Pitrai Namaha, Om Pitrai Namaha, Om Pitrai Namaha. As we all human, while we are alive, we need food and water. So during the Pitru Paksha, food and water is offered to Pitras. So you can also cook the food, or you can just take some rice and some lentil, some other stuff, some fruits, some sweets, and then for each one we should say, rotate the water on the food and say Om Pitrai Namaha, Om Pitrai Namaha. So once we have offered the food to Pitra, then we will again do the dhyanam of Pitra and chant Om Pitrai Namaha, Om Pitrai Namaha, Om Pitrai Namaha. Then very important part of this small shraddh is also Tarpana. Tarpana is offering water for finishing or for the thirst of the Pitras. So we should take water and at least 16 times offer this water to Pitra for drinking and say Om Pitrai Namaha, 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 Om Pitrai Namaha. And you can also chant Om Pitrai Tarpayamihi, Om Tarpayamihi, Tarpayamihi, Tarpayamihi. Once you have performed this puja, then you can again do some chanting for the Pitra. At least 21 times you should chant the mantra Om Pitrai Namaha, 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 Om Pitrai Namaha. And then you can take the dhupam and then offer this to Pitra. Om Pitre Namaha. 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 And then you can also do the dhyanam of Vishnu at the end of the puja. And if you know the mantra, Om Vishnave Namaha, Om Vishnave Namaha, or you can chant the stuti of Vishnu, Om Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gagana Sadrisham Megavaranam Shuvangam Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Viradhyanagammayam Bande Vishnum Bhavabhayharam Sarvalokaiikanatham. Om Vishnave Namaha. Om Vishnave Namaha. Om Vishnave Namaha. When you have performed all this puja, then get up from your asana and pour some water for sun. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. And then put this water in your eyes and then do 3 rounds of parikrama. Om Yani Kanim Japapanim Cha Janman Kritani Tani Papani Paradakshane Vinashantu Prade Prade. Then bow your head to the Pitras and Devas. Om Pitre Namaha. Om Pitre Namaha. Om Pitre Namaha. And then 3 times offer water to Pitra again. Om Pitre Namaha. Om Pitre Namaha. Om Pitre Namaha. Om Pitre Priyantam Namamaha. And then take some flower in your hand and then again do the dhyanam of Pitra. Om Pitre Namaha. Pitre Namaha. Om Pitre Namaha. Then out